Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hide files and folders on your Windows computer. So this should be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So you want to open up File Explorer here, because we're going to be using this to navigate to whatever files or folders you want to hide. So just keep in mind, there's actually a way to view hidden system files or unhide system files. That's not really what I'm talking about here. This is just if you want to hide certain files or folders from people on your computer and you just don't really want to lock the file down so much, just hide it. So basically you want to first make sure the View tab, and you want to make sure Hidden Items is unchecked. So make sure that's unchecked here. So we're going to be trying to hide an item, which will become unhidden if you show hidden items. So just keep that in mind. So it's going to have the same permissions basically as any hidden system file that would be in here once we're done. So let's just, it doesn't really matter. I didn't really think through a specific folder here, so let me just make one in our Documents folder here. So let me just call it Secret Folder. And what we're going to do with this folder, which we can currently see it right now, and hidden files are disabled, so you should not see this. So this folder is not hidden at the moment. So we're going to right click on this folder. You can do it with a file too, and then you want to select the properties, and then you want underneath attributes, you want to select the hidden button, and then select apply and OK. And there you go. It should disappear once it says working on it. It should not appear in this list anymore. So if we actually backed out of here, you can see it says this folder is empty. So now if you want to make this reappear, just put select view and then check mark hidden items. And now you can see our secret folder is now available. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.